Well, this is really where the new stuff is supposed to kick in. That other stuff you may or may have already been learned, right? You would have learned that probably in fifth grade, probably a little bit in fourth, but mostly in fifth perhaps. But at any rate, we're going to now take it to another level and see how the GCF can help us simplify fractions. GCF, if you might recall, is the greatest common factor, the largest number that divides into both of the numerator and denominator. In other words, it's a factor, but it's a common one between two numbers, but it's the greatest one. Let's see. Oh, remember Factor Ninja? Hi. Remember, Factor Ninja first likes to break things into like kind of mostly smaller pieces, right? And then he'll take the biggest. He'll break this one in smaller pieces. He'll take which ones are the common biggest ones. Like just pretend like this and this one are the same size. Anyway, you'll see. And then there's also the tree method. We'll see, also known as prime factorization. Okay, so let's see here. We're going to use this little chart over here to help us. This is kind of taken to another level because the one, where would the one, when we make a fraction into one, right here, this is where it would be. It would be right here. So imagine that this is a big giant 1, see? And this would be the numerator in here, and this would be the denominator. So these numbers will have to be the same, but this time, the number that we put in there is going to be the GCF. The GCF. You see what I mean? G. Yes, I do. All right. Ooh, this is funny. I lost my ninja. There's a ninja here saying T method. So anyway, it looks kind of cool like that. We're going to simplify 8/20. So, okay, how it works. Oh, there's the ninja. Yay! He did a little ninja trick. That's why they say it, right? Okay, 8/20. Put the 8 and the 20 here. We're looking for, that's supposed to be a G, not a C. GCF of 8 and 20. That's a G. Greatest common factor is, put your 8 here, put your 20 here. Let's find the factors of 8. Something times something gives me 8. I know, 1 times 8 gives me 8. 2 times 4 gives me 8, and that's it. What about 20? 1 times 20 gives 20. 2 times 10 gives 20, and I think that's it, right? Oh, nope, just kidding. 4 times 5 gives me 20. Now we're talking. So these are in common. These smaller numbers, except for 20 in this case and 8. Everything else is kind of smaller. That's a factor ninja. Hi. All right. So 2 is in common between 8 and 20. So those factors, the factor 1 and the factor 2 are common. The factor 4 are common. Aha, so the greatest common factor is 4. So we're going to go ahead and put that 4 here. We're going to put a 4. This is where our 1 is. 4 here and a 4 here. And now we're going to divide. 8 divided by 4 is 2. You can check that. 2 times 4 is 8. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. And it's kind of like, this was what's nice about the T-chart, is because you have your answers kind of like right here. 2 and 4 and 4 and 5. They're paired up for you. Okay, your turn.